Welcome. If you're tired of getting constant push notifications every time someone saves your pins on Pinterest, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the simple steps to disable those notifications, so you can enjoy a more peaceful Pinterest experience. This guide is updated for the latest version of the Pinterest app, so let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon. You'll find this at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, look at the top of your profile page and tap on your profile picture. This will open up your profile settings, where you can control various aspects of your Pinterest account. Next, scroll down until you see the option labeled Notifications. Tap on it to access your notification settings. Here, you'll see different categories for the types of notifications Pinterest can send you. Find the section called Pins You Published. Under this category, tap on Saves. This is where you can manage notifications specifically for when someone saves your pins. Now you'll see a section titled, How do you want to be notified? Here you can choose how Pinterest alerts you about saves. To turn off push notifications, simply toggle off the switch next to push. Once the switch is off, you won't receive push notifications when someone saves your pins. That's it. You've successfully disabled push notifications for saves on your pins. You can always come back to this menu if you want to change your notification preferences in the future. Taking control of your notifications helps you stay focused and enjoy Pinterest on your own terms. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most out of your favorite apps. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.